Hi everyone, back again. This time, let's work out with AI for free. Yes! Marvelous! No more excuses. Let's get fit. Let's get physical. Let's start. Let's do it. This is a tutorial. Quick, easy, and free for you. As always, I'll leave the link in the comments. You have to download it in your Play Store. Then sign up, confirm your mail, that's it, let's go. First, answer a few questions. Date of birth, height, weight, gender, fitness level, main goal. Now you can continue with Google. We are in. Shall we try it? It's marvelous, you'll love it. Stay to the end and learn everything about this, because everything about this is perfect. You choose the program. I have a lot of exercises here you can choose. But first, let's check out the workout they have for us. If you click on the exercises, it will do it with you, showing the time, showing everything. Another feature which is very interesting, you can be corrected if you're doing something wrong, because they have a system of a camera which can help you. Another fantastic feature is that you can choose your own workouts. Choose the exercises you want and just add, and that's it. You have your exercise. When you click on the exercises, all the exercises have the time you have to do them, and they show you exactly how to do them so that you don't get hurt. Take the most of that exercise. It's very appealing, it's very nice. I love this. What about you? Any doubt, leave it in the comments. Tell me if you liked it. If you want more videos on this, do tell me. Do also like my videos, please. Do like, subscribe, hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools out there for you and your projects. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.